Let's be real, working hard should mean getting ahead. But in today's world, it often feels like no matter how many hours you put in, the finish line keeps moving further away. The dream of financial stability seems more like a distant fantasy for many. But for too many folks, living paycheck to paycheck is the reality. The stress of juggling bills, rent, and daily expenses can be overwhelming. It's a constant struggle to make ends meet, leaving little room for savings or investments. The gap between the rich and everyone else keeps getting wider. Wealth is concentrated in the hands of a few, while the majority work tirelessly just to stay afloat. This disparity is visible in our cities, our communities, and even in our daily lives. It can feel impossible to break free. You're not alone. Many share this struggle, feeling trapped in a cycle of financial insecurity. But amidst the challenges, there is a glimmer of hope and a path forward. Millions of hardworking Americans are in the same boat. But there's hope. By coming together, sharing knowledge, and supporting one another, we can begin to change our circumstances. Community and solidarity are powerful tools in this fight. You don't need a fancy degree or a trust fund to build wealth. Education and self-improvement are accessible in many forms. Online courses, books, and community resources can provide valuable knowledge and skills to help you get ahead. It's about making smart choices today for a better tomorrow. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant changes over time. Budgeting, saving, and investing wisely are key strategies that anyone can adopt. This is about taking control of your money and your future. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions, set goals, and work towards them with confidence. It's about reclaiming your power and shaping your destiny. It's time to change the story for the working class. Collective action and advocacy can drive systemic change. By raising our voices and demanding fair wages, better working conditions, and equitable opportunities, we can create a more just society. It's time to build generational wealth. This isn't just about the present, it's about securing a better future for our children and grandchildren. By laying a strong financial foundation today, we can ensure that future generations have the opportunities and resources they need to thrive. The first step is often the hardest. It's the moment when you decide to take control of your financial future. And it can feel like standing at the edge of a cliff, looking down into the unknown. But remember, every journey begins with a single step, and this step is the most crucial one. Admitting you need to change your financial habits can be scary. It's normal to feel overwhelmed when you look at your bills and realize that something needs to change. The fear of the unknown and the discomfort of stepping out of your comfort zone can be paralyzing. But acknowledging this fear is the first step towards overcoming it. But it's also incredibly empowering. Once you admit that change is necessary, you open the door to new possibilities. You start to see that you have the power to shape your financial destiny. This realization can be a source of immense strength and motivation. Taking control starts with educating yourself. Knowledge is the foundation of financial freedom. The more you know about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Start by reading books and articles on personal finance. Watch educational videos that break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand terms. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Start by reading books, listening to podcasts, or taking online courses about personal finance. There are countless resources available that can help you build a solid foundation of financial knowledge. Podcasts are a great way to learn on the go, and books can provide in-depth insights into various financial topics, or taking online courses about personal finance. Online courses can offer structured learning and expert guidance, making it easier to grasp complex concepts. Many courses also provide practical exercises and real-life examples to help you apply what you've learned. There are tons of resources out there, from blogs and forums to financial news websites and online communities. The internet is a treasure trove of information. Libraries also offer a wealth of resources, including books, magazines, and access to financial databases. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Sometimes the best way to learn is by talking to someone who has been there before. Whether it's a financial advisor, a mentor, or a friend who is good with money, don't hesitate to seek advice and guidance. Talk to a financial advisor. Find a mentor. These professionals can provide personalized advice and help you create a financial plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. A mentor can offer valuable insights and share their experiences, helping you avoid common pitfalls and stay motivated. Learn from others who have been there. Join financial workshops and seminars to connect with like-minded individuals and learn from experts. Engaging in discussions and sharing experiences can provide new perspectives and inspire you to stay committed to your financial journey. Taking control is a journey, not a sprint. It's important to remember that achieving financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. Celebrate your milestones along the way and stay focused on your long-term goals, but every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Each action you take, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Keep moving forward, stay committed, and believe in your ability to achieve financial independence. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth the effort. A budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about understanding where your money goes. It's about making your money work for you, not against you. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Write down every dollar you spend. You might be surprised where it all goes. Once you see your spending habits, create a plan. Allocate money for needs, wants, and savings. This is your roadmap to financial success. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Don't beat yourself up over slip-ups, just keep moving forward. Saving money isn't easy, but it's essential. It's about creating a safety net for emergencies and building a foundation for the future. Start small. Even saving a few dollars each week adds up over time. Make it automatic. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck to a savings account. Think of saving like paying yourself first. Before you spend on anything else, put money aside for your future. The more you save, the more secure your future will be. It's about having options and peace of mind. Section 5. Investing for beginners. Growing your wealth over time. Investing is a crucial step in building a secure financial future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your portfolio, understanding the basics can set you on the right path. Investing might seem complicated, but it's not just for the wealthy. Anyone can start investing with the right knowledge and tools. It's about making your money work for you, rather than you working for your money. It's one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over time. By investing, you can take advantage of compound interest, which allows your earnings to generate even more earnings. This can significantly increase your wealth over the long term. Start with simple investments like index funds or mutual funds. These are great for beginners because they offer diversification, which means your money is spread across many different investments, reducing the risk of losing it all. These funds pool your money with other investors, reducing risk. By pooling resources, you can invest in a wider range of assets than you could on your own, which helps to balance out the highs and lows of the market. Don't be afraid to seek guidance. There are many resources available, from books and online courses to professional financial advisors who can help you navigate the complexities of investing. Talk to a financial advisor about your goals and risk tolerance. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique situation, helping you to make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. They can help you create a personalized investment strategy. This strategy should take into account your current financial situation, your future goals, and your comfort level with risk. A well-thought-out plan can help you stay focused and disciplined. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to have a long-term perspective and not get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Consistency and patience are key to successful investing. Be patient, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Over time, with regular contributions and smart investment choices, you can build substantial wealth. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. Section 6. Planning for the future, retirement, and beyond. Retirement might seem far away, but it's never too early to start planning. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401ks. These plans offer tax advantages and often come with employer matching contributions. Consider opening an individual retirement account or IRA. IRAs offer additional tax benefits and give you more control over your investments. Planning for retirement ensures you can enjoy your golden years without financial worries. It's about securing your future. Section 7. Breaking the cycle. Building a legacy for your children. Building generational wealth is about breaking the cycle of financial struggle. It's about giving your children a better future. Start by teaching your kids about money from a young age. Give them allowances, encourage saving, and involve them in financial conversations. Consider setting up a college fund for your children or grandchildren. Every little bit helps ease the burden of future education expenses. By teaching your children about financial responsibility, you're empowering them to build a brighter future for themselves and generations to come. Section 8. Staying motivated. You can achieve financial freedom. The journey to financial freedom can be challenging, but it's crucial to stay motivated. Remember why you started. Visualize your goals. Imagine yourself debt-free, financially secure, and living a life of abundance. That vision will keep you going. Celebrate your milestones. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Acknowledge your progress and keep pushing forward. Surround yourself with supportive people. Share your goals with family and friends who believe in you. They can provide encouragement and accountability. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to generational wealth begins today. Building generational wealth as a working-class individual is possible. It requires commitment, discipline, and a belief in yourself. It's about taking control of your finances and creating a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Start today, be patient, and never give up on your dreams. Your journey to generational wealth begins now.